Hello, friends. Running Kimono here, and we have some sweet deals this fine Tuesday morning, Tuesday, September the 12th, over at Walgreens. One's a curbside, one is in store. So, we're going to talk about these two bite by bite. If you're trying to get those Halloween baskets filled and candy ready for the trick or treaters, or if you just like to have candy on the ready, these might be some deals for you. Okay, so the first deal is this really large bag of Tootsie Roll mini pops for $10.99. In store, ringing up for $2.79. Your mileage may vary. Some stores it is, some stores it isn't, but a lot of stores are. Special shout out and thank you to La Couponista. She's down there in Florida and she made this deal rock this morning. $2.79 for a bag that's like what? How many pounds? 2 pounds of candy. If you have trick or treaters, or you just like to have a big candy dish at the office or at a school, you like to give these to kids. It's peanut free too, according to the package. This might be a deal. So I would definitely, if you're in the store, this has to be in store only because as a curbside, it's still ringing up $10.99. I would grab one, bring it to the front, ask for a price check, and see what they say. Or it could be tagged with those orange stickers. I would go and do this one right away. Whenever these pre-wrapped candies are so cheap, they tend to just fly off the shelf. I know that in this area for kids at school, everything, if you were going to bring a bunch of candy or something, even for Halloween, everything has to be individually wrapped. So this is ideal for a lot of us. Okay, so this next deal is curbside only. What you're going to do is grab two of these Kinder Bueno bars at $1.29 a pop, so that'll be $2.58. One thing I do want to preface, if you don't want to do this deal or you want to pass on it, by all means go for it. The coupon's a little goofy. And if this isn't your deal, just don't do it. But if you were going to put in a curbside offer, double, triple check that the coupon's working because they're going to pull this at any time. We have a 3 off a 2. It's a Lavazza and a Kinder Bueno. Most stores around here don't even sell Lavazza coffee because I would buy it all. But it's working on 2 Kinder Bueno, so a little glitch for you guys. So looking at this, 258, it's free. Unfortunately, you have to get to a $10 threshold post coupons for any sort of curbside pickup. So you're going to have to Frankenstein a deal. I made a complete video yesterday about different curbside offers. You can definitely, pull one out and then add this in, or just add this into a curbside deal. And double, triple check that the coupon's still attaching because they can pull that at any time. And if you do this in store, you're going to fall short from that $3 mark. So this has to be done curbside. That's why I'm like, curbside only. I made a video yesterday where I was like talking about little dealios. So this is just going to obviously be a little freebie. So if you wanted to throw it into the Lviv deal or buy a couple of Scots and make that happen, by all means. So maybe put in a curbside order, go get your Kinder Bueno, and then while you're there, you can also look for those big bags of Tootsie Pops because those look pretty amazing. Now, for a lot of you that are like, well, where's your midweek haul? Where is all of this stuff? Awesome question. This 40% back when you spend $1 plus starts on the 14th, which is Thursday. I can't make a deal shake or bake for spending 16 to get back, or spending 60 to get back 12. It's just way too much, even with a paper 9 back when you spend 40. But with this booster with the 9 back when you spend 40, I'm thinking I'm going to get 25 back on a $40 basket. And mathematically, that makes sense to this girl. I have to go and test it out as well because this is kind of a weird booster that must be tested on Thursday. And I think it's going to really pick up with the deals Thursday moving forward. So brace yourself for that. Get your candy and we'll catch you in the next one.